What photography problem are you solving? Choosing your niche. In this video, we're going to explain to you how defining what problem you're solving is going to help you choose your own niche for your YouTube channel. Once you define with clarity the problem that you're solving for your viewers, you'll see how easy it is to choose your niche. Let's look at some examples. If you help people with the problem of getting their drone ready for their first flight, then your niche is going to be beginner drone photography. If you help people edit their photographs in Lightroom so that they look really good on Instagram, then your niche is going to be Lightroom editing for Instagram. If you help photographers find new Airbnb listings to take property photographs of, then your niche is going to be Airbnb property photography customer acquisition. Now remember, the bigger the problem that you solve, the more valuable your channel will be. My favorite example is Elon Musk. Think about his mission to colonize Mars. Now that's a big problem that he's trying to solve. Now compare that problem to helping someone take a better photograph of a daisy with their cell phone. You can see the difference in value here. And you know that if you solve a more complex problem for your viewers, then you're going to be rewarded with more value in the end. Now I want you to do an exercise. Get out a pen and paper, and I want you to write a list of all the problems that you've solved in your photography experience. Think about all the issues that you've overcome. Think about all the lessons that you've learned and the problems that you've solved in creating great photographs. Look at the list that you've created. Which of these problems could you talk about for a long time? The worst thing that you can do to yourself is to choose a problem to solve or a niche that you get bored of talking about after 3, 4, or 5 months. So make sure that the problem that you choose to solve is a sustainable problem that you're interested in and passionate about, and you can talk about for more than a year. Question of the day. What niche would you choose for your YouTube photography channel if you had to choose right now? If you're still stuck on ideas, have a look at our video here on ideas for your YouTube photography channel. This will help give you some ideas and concepts to start working with and get the creative juices going. If you're new here and you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel because we create new videos every single day, helping photographers just like you start their own YouTube channel and grow their audience on YouTube. Click that red subscribe button and click on the bell to turn on notifications. And we'll see you in the next one.